Hello guys, thank you so much for clicking this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So today's video is another wig review. The hair I'm reviewing is from Sunber. You can follow them on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. I will put the details for this wig in the description box down below just in case you're interested. So guys, before I continue, we just received our silver button, and if you haven't watched that video, I will link it in the description box so that you can go watch it, or I'll put it up here. And I appreciate you guys for making this possible for us. Our silver button for 100k subscribers. So it came in this box. Lashes. This is the side of the cup. It has two combs on the sides, one at the back. Yeah. So this is the hair without doing anything on it, right from the box. It's a Water Wave wig, and I was so impressed with the density. It's 150. I'll put all the details in the description box so you can go check it out. And then I was also impressed with the hairline. It came pre-plucked with baby hair. The only thing I had to do on the hairline is just reduce the length of the baby hair, but everything is done for you. Like, this hair can be so good for a beginner if you don't like, doing so much on your hairline, or if you think you can mess your hairline, you can go for this wig because the hairline is already done for you. Like this. I prefer when the parting is on the side, like something like this. Yeah guys, and one thing I love about this cap is that it fits so well. Like, it really fits so well. I've not used any, I've just used the combs on the side and the band that is already on the cap, and it fits so well. Since this is a water wave, I had to spray some water just to make the curls pop. But then guys, don't style your hair when it's too wet, because initially when I combed this hair, it wasn't shading, but right now I could see some hair, and also because I cut the baby hair. So just don't style your hair when it's wet, you'll damage it. And then I applied concealer just to make sure it blends so well with my complexion. Racing queen, I'll take you wherever you wanna go. And so guys, after applying concealer, like you can see, the hair looks so natural, the hairline looks so natural and perfect. So this is what I always do when I want my hairline to be exactly where I want it to be. I always mark along the hairline, and then later on it will guide me on where I am supposed to spray, or if I don't want the glue to be all over my face. So the lines will guide me on where I'm supposed to spray. Born to ride, Mustang 65, got that V8 engine with a fuel injection. Drop the clutch, pedal to the floor. the baby hair was not really my favorite part because they didn't come out so well. And then I'm not a mid-parting person. I really don't like when the parting is in the middle, because I just feel like I don't look good when the parting is in the middle. So I had to change and put it on the side, especially for curly hair. Even for straight hair, I don't like the parting in the middle. So yeah, I just like when the parting is on the side. And these curls really popped out. I love the hair, I love the density, I love the shine. Like, you guys, who doesn't love these? One thing I loved about this hair, like if you don't want the curls, you can as well just comb them out. I'm just going to try and style this hair in different styles just to see which one will work for me, or just which one I will love. Yeah.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. Still, every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it.
If you love this hair and you're interested in it, I'll put all the details in the description box down below. And you can as well go and follow Sunber on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube, because they have amazing, beautiful hair of good quality. So that was it, guys, for today. If you learned something from this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. See you on my next video. Mwah. Bye.
That's why I'm better with than without you.